In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make these adorable and delicious roly-poly Santa sugar cookies. I'm Kat, and welcome to my channel. These cookies are made with a simple sugar cookie dough. In addition, you'll need some mini chocolate chips, red gel food coloring, and little red sugar pearls, or chocolate-covered candies. As always, the recipe is listed in the description below. Start by beating the softened butter with a paddle attachment of your mixer. Add the sugar and continue to beat together. Add the vanilla extract. Then add the milk. Add the sifted flour a little at a time to the butter mixture at a slow speed until completely incorporated. Remove 1 cup of the dough and place it in a small bowl. This white dough will be for the head, hands, feet, and pom-poms. Add the red color to the remaining dough. Mix until the color is well incorporated. The dough will be soft and moldable, no chilling at this time. With the red dough, you're going to roll out 12 1-inch balls for the body and 60 half-inch balls for the hat, arms, and legs. With the white dough, you'll roll out 12 3/4-inch balls for the head. Then, roll 60 1/4-inch balls for the hands, feet, and pom-poms. I know, it's a lot of balls, but the end result is worth it. To shape the Santa, stick together the 3/4-inch balls of red dough to the 1/4-inch ball. Then place the half-inch ball of white dough in the center. Then, add the red balls for legs, the smaller white balls for the hands and feet. Shape the smaller red balls into a hat, and then add the small ball of white dough for the pom-pom. Press the balls to ensure everything is sticking together. You can use a little bit of water if needed. Add 3 mini chocolate chips for the buttons. Then add 2 mini chocolate chips for the eyes. You can use tweezers to help if you can't grab the chips with your hands. Once all the Santas are put together, chill for at least 1 hour. They're skinny Santas now, but will become roly-poly after baking. While the cookies are chilling, preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then bake for 12 to 15 minutes. Santa's gained some weight while baking. Now it's time to decorate our Santas. I'm using frosting from the grocery store, but you can also use your own frosting as long as it contains icing sugar so that it crusts over. I don't recommend using the whipped frosting in a can as it's too stringy. You can also use royal icing, and I have a recipe in one of my previous tutorials. I'm using a Wilton No. 16 tip, which is a small open start tip. Use either rope or zigzags to pipe the fur along the hat and cuffs and give Santa a beard and mustache. Then, add a red pearl candy for his nose. Let the icing dry completely before eating or packaging. These make adorable gifts packaged in cello bags with name tags. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to get notified for new baking videos every week.